wasting my time. Stop being obtuse, the answer's right there. So what, are you blind, or is something missing? Stop, this isn't fair. It's like you don't. You'll never find me, you would never try to see past the static on the screen. I can't control it, and I just know it doesn't matter what's inside of me. I can't remember ever seen a tape where the plot aligns elegantly. I know there's somewhere running in the nowhere, but you'll never listen to me. Amanda, 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 Amanda.
I think we could have a real good time if you just take a break and breathe. So why don't you put your